Welcome to Everyday Magic, inspired journaling for everyone. Have you ever wanted to create in a journal or sketchbook but felt intimidated by the blank sheet staring back at you? I know I have. Maybe you struggle to find inspiration, or you're not sure which art techniques to use to best express yourself. Through my own experiences as an artist, I can tell you that I've suffered from lack of inspiration and fear of the blank page. Only after realizing that my enthusiasm for creating comes from within myself as opposed to outer influences was I finally able to let go of worrying about whether I had a style or how I stacked up against other artists. I knew that in order to express myself as authentically as I could, I had to look within my own life. I discovered that the magic resided in the small, everyday things that brought me joy. In this class, we'll talk about how magic truly surrounds us in our everyday lives and how to tap into it to create inspired work. We'll do a writing exercise together that will help you shift into a state of gratitude and help you to find the magic in the mundane. I'll teach you how to make your own custom journal and how to fill it with fun exercises that you can apply to any subject. I'll provide you with a list of several art prompts for future use, and you can follow along as I demonstrate 4 of these prompts in my own journal. By using the techniques in this class, you'll never have to feel intimidated by a blank page again. You'll be able to tune into the magic that surrounds you on a daily basis, which in turn will provide you with an endless supply of inspiration for your own journal. So settle in and let's get started.